nice, man.
See nice, eh?
Why green one too?
Yeah. You're not coming in and probably appreciate it.
So what's going on tonight, Chef?
I'll just send the fish.
Move!
Put it there on tonight.
Put them sad along with the liquor boy.
I pick them up and look through planting for me eat, because I'm hungry, man. Handy. Yeah, but me just put them between the fish and go on. But and there is the fish me a deal with, you know. So me see them. Yeah, me I go fry them and cook them down. Them good, you know, fish steam that way there, but so me not got the fire. Them be turn brown, you know, but through the wood they not good. Fire them wood then slow, because they'll fuck the wood them in here, man.
Fuckery wood?
Yeah.
Too wet?
Too wet, water and them, you know that. They don't know that. Him know too, you know. I don't know if you go on the goat fish and the carpet.
I don't give nothing to you.
They don't want none, man. What can I do? Give me a picture. Give me a picture.
These are like Barracuda steaks, basically. Barracuda, yeah? Did you ever hear about Barracuda being poisonous or something like that? How does that work?
When you eat copper,
Yeah?
sea copper,
Huh.
that's why I try them. I know just eat Barracuda fish. And see look while the fly go up on there.
Ah, yeah,
When
yeah.
I make the video, I make sure it's good. One fly not go up on nothing with poison, you know.
Oh, yeah?
No, sure. Fly not go up on nothing with poison. That's why we taste it from the Barracuda fish. Look all up, there's up, all even from the dish.
The flies are going for it. Nice point. There's a good fish on it.
Yep, you told them.
Very nice.
We're about to get rained on heavily again. It's been a hell of a week here, I'm telling you. Here it comes.
Let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Guys.
Gonna hop in under some cover. Mokko's got the fish under cover. Whoops!
Come in here.
Come in, come in.
Come here.
Here we are again.
Look over here. It's sweetie.
Lucky. Luckily, it's usually over as quick as it begins. That was pretty much 2 minutes. Heavy, heavy fall, and then done. So, and by done, I mean done for maybe another half an hour, 20 minutes, an hour, who knows. Damn, that was intense for a second. Wow. Catch a fire.
Check out fire.
Fireman in the building. Yeah. Mokko's also known as Fireman by the family, right?
Yeah.
It's a good name. Can't get more badass than Fireman.
Mm-hmm.
Crispy steam down while that fire's hot. Let that coconut milk go. Doesn't usually go that quick. Looks like the wood's working now, man. Look at it steam up so quick. Oh.
Yeah, one whole evening.
Yeah. Well, you know, when we went and got that firewood, it was raining like today, so it must have been out there for a while. You know, for all the scallion and thyme that you use, I've never seen you grow it on the yard before. How come?
I'll go with some. Everything I've seen, you know.
Yeah. So I just missed the timing.
That's it.
Okay. When you're a fisherman, you shoot these before?
Yeah, man, me eat that.
Yeah.
I've been before.
They scare you with their big ass teeth after you?
Everybody bite you up, you know.
Yeah? Do you know someone who's been bitten?
Yeah, man. If you see them, and you're one, but you left them. And call in gang, drive your friends, you know.
Yeah.
You one who won't go there, you can't attack. One somebody can attack Barracuda in the mouth, it's good. But the other one must come around, you know. When you're killing friend, you know, when you're catching friend, eh? Yeah, man.
Yeah, there's some mean fish out there. My first time diving in Bali, I got attacked by triggerfish. They're one big kind of round ones with big buck teeth. They'll put a hole in your wetsuit. And that was my very first diving experience. Like within the first 10 minutes getting attacked by a huge one. So, I didn't get bit. I was able to get my flippers out and go, what? And the dive master trying to get in front and block, but it was a good dive. First dive, triggerfish attack, sea turtle, and shark. But I don't think I've ever seen a barracuda before. How big are they? They're huge, right? They're pretty. Yeah.
Huge.
Giant.
Yeah, man. Baby, yeah. Baby barra. Baby barra.
That's a good name for this episode, Baby Barra Steaks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yes, man.
Baby barra, man.
Yeah.
Nothing more. Get cooked right over there, man. Nah, get cooked, man. That day I get cooked up. Something dropping on my food.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we learned our lesson the other day, pretty hard. It's a good looking breadfruit. Looks like a sweet one too.
Looks like it's good. Water in them, you know.
Oh yeah? From rain, you mean? Oops. Extra wet. Extra doughy. Yeah, we'll make it work. Looks like a puffball mushroom almost. It's a very light color one. You got any tips for picking breadfruit from a tree? Yeah, what's a good one to go for?
Bamboo stick.
Yeah.
Bamboo stick, then you use the breadfruit over here. Man climb it and use the bamboo stick with them.
With a prong on the end too?
Like a craw to the hand. Yes, sir.
And what about selecting a ripe breadfruit? Like as soon as they're this size, are they pretty much okay, or do they have to be a certain ripeness, or what?
Yeah, certain ripeness.
How do you tell the ripeness though? Because it seems like everyone's picking the green ones, and when I think of green, I usually think, okay, that's not ripe yet.
The ripe one?
Yeah.
When it's full, it must ripen. I've been out deal with it for 3 days, you know.
So you can pick them green, just let them sit for a few days.
3 days.
Huh.
good to go, brother.
And is it a texture thing when you touch it, or is it more of a scent, or what?
Sharper.
Uh,
You can't eat it when it turns too. Yeah, man.
oh.
You want more?
That's good for me, man. It looks great. You were telling me about breadfruit wine too.
They make wine, they make the wine, they make the cake, they make everything out of breadfruit. You know? It's for the little when August time, first time festival. Breadfruit festival, you know?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. Cake, pudding, everything.
Nice. Have you ever got drunk off the breadfruit wine before? Yeah. Another super versatile one, just like the cocoa. Just can do 100 different things with it.
Yeah.
Very, very versatile.
Got water in them, you know.
Soggy.
And sweet. Yeah.
Extra hydration.
Hillside. Ah, whoa! Better we up on a hillside, let's go wild hog and all them sitting there. We don't want to see mankind.
Oh, look at that sauce. That really, really boiled down, eh?
Yes, sir.
It's a good look.
Yes, sir.
Baby Barra, baby breadfruit,
Yes, sir.
Bonanza.
I would like it, you know.
Yeah. Breadfruit. Well, you know, breadfruit's one of my favorites ones. Yeah.
Garlic sauce, liquor sauce, and all
Yeah.
those ones, you know.
Beautiful fish sauce and oil. Yeah.
Rampant killer. What's down?
Looks awesome. So, baby barracuda, baby breadfruits, all together.
Yeah.
Give this breadfruit a taste first. Mmm.
Number one, man.
Wow. That sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my.
You know,
When it gets thick like that, it is really, really good.
yeah.
That is a nice one. And the barracuda, nice and crispy on the outside, and
Brown and cooked down in a
Oh.
coconut. Brown and cooked down in a coconut juice.
man, that's like a steak.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Man, this one's amazing. So we had this smoked one. This one worked out better. I think the extra crispiness on the outside. I feel like the smoking almost smoked it too much, like cooked it too hard. You know? This is nice and crispy on the outside and so soft on the inside. It's like a rare steak. Oh my god. Alright, if you're gonna visit, you should ask for this one, for real. This is
Barracuda.
this might be in my top 5. Holy.
Tuna and barracuda have the same way. Like a steak.
Totally. Very meaty fish, yeah.
But me know my food, my heart, my fish. Bear up the food, me take you right. Me brown it first. When the juice like, but can really take good. You know, if you mash up, you know.
Fuck, dude, that's a killer one. Really?
Go easy.
Respect. Hell yeah, man.
We don't play around here with cook, you hear that? We don't play around here with cook. Alright. This barracuda cook like a steak.
100%.
Alright, so.
he's going for it. He's going for the camera. There we go. You like sugar cane? So it feels like a yoga mat. It bit me. It didn't taste like lemon. I'm getting lobster grease all over my phone, but it's so worth it. So this is what I'm going for. This is a full-grown pow shell here. Hey, what's up? It's Matthew. Please join me on my other channel. It's called Earthly Eats, exploring surf and turf from the ends of the earth. Just click show more below.